If you're tired of poor visibility at night, blinding headlights, hidden road hazards, unexpected breakdowns in the dark, or feeling unsafe during late drives, today we're finally fixing that for good. These are 15 night driving car gadgets on Amazon that turn your ride into a safer, clearer, smarter nighttime powerhouse. Enhanced vision, speed alerts, emergency backups, and so much more. These are all top-rated, highly reviewed picks that actually deliver real results for night shifts, odd road trips, or everyday late drives. Stick around until the end for an absolute must-have for every modern driver who wants safer, stress-free nights on the road. Let's jump right in. Number 1. 4K Night Vision Front Dash Cam Capture Crystal Clear Night Footage. This 4K HDR front dash cam, Viofo a 229 Pro, Retractable F7NP, or Rove R3 styles, uses advanced Starvis 2 sensors for exceptional low light performance, wide 170-degree angle coverage, plus an HDR technology to handle intense glare from oncoming headlights, streetlights, or dark shadows without washout or overexposure. Many models include rear cam for full coverage, built-in GPS logging for speed/location stamps, Wi-Fi app for instant downloads and live preview, G-sensor for automatic impact detection and lock files, and 24-hour parking mode with time-lapse or motion detection to protect your car when parked at night. Loop recording overwrites old footage automatically, and high-endurance SD card support make it completely hassle-free. Essential for night accident proof, insurance claims, and much more. Number 2. Heads-up speedometer display. Eyes on the road at night. This HUD speedometer projects your current speed, RPM, battery voltage, and important alerts directly onto the windshield in large, crisp, bright digits that remain highly visible even in complete darkness, rain, fog, on or against bright headlights. GPS base for extremely accurate miles per hour / kilometers per hour readings without relying on car sensors. Auto brightness sensor adjusts display intensity to match low ambient light or oncoming glare. Includes overspeed alarms, fatigue driving reminders, low voltage warnings, and compass display to keep you alert and oriented. Simple plug and play USB power fits virtually all cars. No OBD connection or complicated install needed. Number 3. Night car visor extender block blinding glare effectively. This night car visor extender, flip down, clip on, or slide out models, attaches quickly to your existing sun visor to extend coverage and block harsh oncoming headlights, high beam glare, street lights, or low sun at dusk/dawn without obstructing your forward view or causing blind spots. Adjustable angle for custom positioning, anti-glare coating, or tinted layers reduce eye strain. And some with polarized filters cut reflections from wet roads at night. Simple clip or slide install, no tools required, folds away when not needed. Reviewers say it dramatically reduces temporary blindness from high beams, prevents squinting or discomfort, makes night driving far less stressful and safer, especially on busy highways or rural roads with frequent oncoming traffic. Number 4. Laser radar detector speed trap protection at night. This radar detector, Escort Max Series, Uniden R7, Oz or Cobra Rad models, detects laser guns, radar bands, KKX, and instant-on threats with clear voice alerts, GPS lockouts for known false signals, and customizable city/highway modes to minimize nuisance alerts. Discrete suction or adhesive mount, long-range detection capability, helps avoid tickets on dark highways or in enforcement zones. Reviewers say it's highly effective for night speed traps, provides early warnings that allow safe speed adjustment, saves money on fines long-term, as it makes driving more relaxed and aware in low visibility conditions, and becomes an essential tool for frequent night drivers or highway commuters. Number 5. Smart Jump Starter. Start reliably in the dark. This portable smart jump starter, Noco Boost GB40, Gulu GP2000, or similar 1000 ampere plus models, packs massive peak power in a compact lithium design to instantly start gas engines up to 6.0 liters or diesel up to 3.0 liters even in freezing cold after long inactivity. Or when headlights drain the battery at night. Built-in advanced safety tech prevents sparks, reverse polarity, short circuits, or overcharge. Doubles as a fast power bank with USB ports for phones, tablets, or laptops during roadside waits. Includes bright LED flashlight with strobe/SOS modes for nighttime emergencies. Easy smart clamps that light up when connected correctly. Highly rated for cold weather reliability, essential for emergencies, remote areas, late night breakdowns, or daily peace of mind when driving after dark. Number 6. Night vision glasses. Enhance low light vision. These night vision driving glasses, yellow tinted, anti-glare, or amber lenses, reduce harsh headlight glare, improve contrast and depth perception, sharpen road edges, signs, lane markings, and hazards in low light, rain, fog, or complete darkness for better nighttime visibility. Lightweight, comfortable frames, anti-reflective coating on both sides, and UV protection for day use too. Ideal for older eyes, long night drives, or frequent dark road commuters. Reviewers say they significantly reduce eye fatigue, squinting, and temporary blindness from high beams, make signs/road markings clearer and easier to read, dramatically improve safety in dark, rainy, or foggy conditions, and feel like a simple yet powerful upgrade for safer night driving. Your number 7. Wireless backup camera safe for reversing at night. This wireless backup camera mounts easily on license plate or bumper and transmits crystal clear video with excellent night vision, adjustable guidelines, wide 170-degree angle, and waterproof design to a dash screen, mirror monitor, or phone. Easy wireless install, no drilling or long cables. Works with 12-volt power and includes parking lines for precise reversing. Reduces blind spots dramatically in dark parking lots, driveways, or alleys. Reviewers love the sharp night image, accident prevention in low light conditions, how it makes backing up safer and less stressful after sunset, and the peace of mind it provides for night parking or tight spaces. Number 8. Car Air Purifier, fresh air at night. This Car Air Purifier, Pure Enrichment Pure Zone Mini, Philips Go Pure, or IQ Air Atom car models, uses HEPA filters, ionizers, or activated carbon to remove dust, pollen, odors, smoke, allergens, pet dander, and bacteria from cabin air quickly, creating a healthier, fresher breathing environment during night drives with windows closed. Quiet fan operation, USB or 12-volt power, compact size fits vents or console, some with nightlight or app control. Reviewers say it reduces stuffiness, helps allergy symptoms, eliminates lingering food or smoke smells, makes long, dark drives more comfortable and healthier, and noticeably improves overall cabin air quality for better focus and alertness. Number 9. Blind spot mirrors, eliminate dark side blind spots. These convex blind spot mirrors, stick-on, clip-on, or adhesive models attached to side mirrors to expand view and eliminate hidden vehicles in low light, rain, fog, or complete darkness. Wide-angle design, anti-glare coating, easy install with no tools required, prevents lane change surprises from unseen cars. Reviewers say they make merging safer in dark traffic, reduce accidents from blind spots at night, provide a cheap, effective safety upgrade, and give extra confidence when changing lanes on highways or in busy areas after dark. Number 10. Portable emergency light, light up breakdowns at night. This portable LED emergency light, magnetic base, strobe/SOS modes, rechargeable battery, and multiple brightness levels, illuminates flat tires, engine bays, roadside repairs, or signaling help in complete darkness or bad weather. Long runtime, compact design for trunk storage, some with power bank function. Reviewers love how it provides bright, reliable light for safe nighttime fixes, hazard warnings, or reading maps, becomes an essential safety tool for late night emergencies, and offers peace of mind when driving in low visibility conditions. Number 11. Roadside Emergency Car Kit Nighttime Preparedness. Essential. This comprehensive roadside emergency kit includes heavy-duty jumper cables, portable tire inflator/compressor, high lumen flashlight, first aid supplies, reflective triangles, gloves, rain poncho, multi-tool, and more in a sturdy compact carry case for easy trunk storage. Essential for breakdowns, flats, minor accidents, or winter driving in dark or bad weather. Reviewers call it a must-have for safety, quick fixes, signaling help at night, and handling unexpected issues confidently on any road trip or daily commute after dark. Number 12. Portable car fan, cool night airflow. This portable car fan clips securely to vents, seats, or headrests with 360 360-degree rotation, on multiple speed settings, and quiet brushless motor for strong, directed airflow without disturbing passengers. USB or 12-volt power, compact design, great for hot nights before AC kicks in, backseat kids/pets, or weak factory AC during summer night drives. Reviewers say it keeps you comfortable in traffic jams or parked waiting, makes night drives bearable in warm weather, helps avoid drowsy driving from heat, and provides instant relief without cranking the air conditioning full blast. Number 13, real-time GPS tracker track in the dark. This compact real-time GPS tracker hides easily under a seat or in the glove box and uses reliable 4G LTE for live location updates every few seconds, speed monitoring, detailed route history playback, and instant geofence alerts via a free smartphone app even at night. Advanced anti-theft features include movement/vibration detection, remote engine cutoff on supported models, SOS emergency button, and overspeed notifications for added security. Built-in rechargeable battery backup works even if power is cut. Ideal for family cars with teen drivers, high-value vehicles, or ultimate peace of mind during late-night parking or drives. Number 14, retractable car charger. Tidy charging at night. This retractable car charger features built-in high-quality USB-C and lightning cables that extend up to 3 feet and retract smoothly with one touch. No tangled wires cluttering your console, Uchi cup holders, or dash ever again during dark drives. Supports 30 watts plus PD fast charging for iPhones, Android phones, tablets, or earbuds, plus dual ports for simultaneous charging. Compact, durable aluminum build with overheat/short circuit protection. Keeps your dashboard clean, organized, and devices powered for GPS, music, or calls on long night drives, commutes, or family road trips without any mess or frustration. Alright, number 15, wireless CarPlay screen night navigation upgrade. This portable wireless CarPlay/Android Auto screen, 7 to 10 inch high resolution touchscreen models, mounts securely on dash or windshield with touch controls, mirroring your phone wirelessly for Apple Maps, Waze, Spotify, calls, YouTube, and apps in bright clear display with night mode to reduce glare. Built-in speakers, Bluetooth pairing, split screen multitasking, and voice control integration for safe hands-free use. Plug and play, no wiring or permanent mods. Turns older cars without modern infotainment into sleek, connected hubs instantly. Reviewers rave about the crisp, vibrant display, lag-free performance at night, easy navigation in dark routes, and how it makes late-night driving more convenient and less stressful. Thanks for watching. That wraps up our list of the 15 night driving car gadgets on Amazon. From 4K night vision dash cams and HUD displays to visor extenders, radar detectors, and emergency lights that make your nighttime drives safer, clearer, and more confident. If you're tired of poor visibility, blinding headlights, hidden hazards, or feeling unsafe after dark, and ready to upgrade your ride to pro-level night driving safety and convenience, one of these is calling your name. Let us know in the comments which of these night driving gadgets you'd grab first, or if you've already tried one, share how it's changed your late night drives. Oh, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more car safety tips, gadget reviews, and night driving buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices, deals, and direct Amazon links before anything sells out or prices change. Keep your night drives safe, visible, and stress-free all year long.